Air Max 90s, these are clean. Clean as hell, you guys. Look at that, check out that price, 27 bucks. Look at these. Air Force One wheel trees. Oh, got some Vomero 5s. 50 bucks, the Air Force Max. Are these some Blazers? Some Blazer lows go for $17? Look, 35 bucks for some, they call these they used to call them the Nikis, 5923s, the Marathons. Kind of same thing, but full-length boots, you guys, full-length boots. What's going on, YouTube viewers? This is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. I'm out in Visalia, California. Yeah, I'm kind of driving through California right now, Central California for work. So yeah, the homie Heroes on Drugs left me a comment, and he got me motivated to check out some Burlington stuff, the discount stores, because I have not been checking them lately. So yeah, I think Heroes on Drugs said that he found some Ultra Boost 19s for 40 bucks. So yeah, man, we shopping all throughout Central California today. Go check out this Burlington. Yeah, this Burlington is big as hell. Oh crap, I hope they got shoes.
Yeah, that's what Dora said. She said she...
I think they got men's shoes right there. That's a pretty vast shoe selection, you guys. Might be promising. Let's start with size 10, you guys. Start with size 10. My size. What are these? Some Air Max 1s? Air Max 90s? These are clean. Clean as hell, you guys. Look at that. Check out that price. 27 bucks. A freaking deal, you guys. That is a deal. Not my size, though. Not my size. This is a size 9. Alright, I checked the comparable prices, and these bad boys hitting for a grip. Hitting for 90 bucks. So yeah, we copping these bad boys. We copping them and selling them. Yeah. We're still on the size 10. Look at these. Air Force One wheel trees. Air Force One wheel trees. Going for... These look big though. Oh, these are size 14, man. I was like, these look big. 45 bucks, dude. The wheel trees, man. I'm looking for these in size 10. If they get them, I'm gonna cop them. But yeah, size 14. I don't know. That's a little big. Got your staple at Burlington as well as at Ross. I always see these Puma Californias. 30 bucks. Not bad for personal. Always see a gazillion of these as well. These are the Shocks Gravities. Shocks Gravities at 54. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. That's crazy. From the 10.5s, man. I was like, what? They got some foams? No, these are what are these? The wavy ladies? Or the wavy something, I forgot. But yeah, these ain't go for nothing. More Shocks Gravity. Guaranteed to see 50 more of those. Oh yeah, we got the Californias too. Size 10.5. 10.5 section. We are in the size 11.5, but I think these are size 12. Got some Vomero 5s. Not bad. They're going for 50 bucks. Probably could sell these for like $80, but yeah, that's too much work. Not enough profit. What? British Knights? British Knights making a comeback? What? What? That's crazy. I guess someone else bought them out. Is that the name of the shoe? I don't know. That's crazy, you guys. Not seeing British Knights. Comes with 2 separate laces too. Some women's trainers, you guys. 25 bucks, man. Size 9. 25 bucks. That's legit. That's a legit budget shoe right there. Man, these things totally tricked me. I was like, what boost are these? Then I thought it was the Puma Rockets, and then yeah, it's like some no-name brand. Apex or something, I don't know. Dang, hate getting fooled. Clue what size I'm in. Oh, these are huge. 50 bucks for the Air Force. What's this, the Miami colorway? That's what people call this? Miami black cement. But yeah, 50 bucks, you guys. 50 bucks, the Air Force Max. There's a few different colors. They're all huge as hell though. Here's the Air Force Max. This is 40. And I got the all white ones right here. It's all white with black trimming, I guess. And these bad boys is going for 60. So some are 40, some are 50, some are 60. That's for soldiers. Oh, these bad boys are huge. So it's like 18s or something. I don't know. Got some Zoom Pegasus for huge feet, big footers too, size 17. $50. And like they don't even have size 17, so put a 1 and a 7. That's hilarious. Are these some blazers? Some blazer lows go for $17? Damn. Man, look at that, you guys. It actually hasn't been worn. These are actually clean. $17, you guys. Dang. Dang, at $17, I thought there'd be some. Dang, I thought there'd be some money in this, but no, not even at $17. They only sell them for like $30 online. Crazy. We're in the size 9s. These are pretty clean. The old school Adidas. Yeah, these going for $40. I just have a hard time paying $40 for nothing. Something that's not Boost. I feel like the only Adidas I get nowadays are the Boost. Speaking of Nike React, actually we're talking about Boost, but Nike React's pretty comparable. Look, the EXP14s. You have full length Nike React. Going for $45. Not bad. Not bad, you guys. I believe this is a size. I'm in the size 9 section, so pretty sure these are size 9. Super comfortable. Super comfortable. $29. $29. Can't go wrong with some Romas. Some Romas. Super comfortable. Super comfortable. Super nice. The leather on always these are super nice too. $30, man. That's the deal. Size 9.5. You need a Converse with some smiley faces on it. $30. $30 for some Chucks. Smiley Chucks. Alright, that's pretty much about it. I also checked the receiving glove section where they would have receiver gloves, which are really, really high profit. Yeah, there's nothing there. So yeah, let's go check out jerseys and stuff. The activewear section. I was like, hey there, look, there's a 9 jersey at Carlos Hyde. I ain't with them no more. So yeah, that's not gonna work. Lightweight Raiders hoodie. Go for $20. It's super lightweight though. So yeah, I don't see much of a profit in that. Yeah, so we got a Golden State Warriors short sleeve hoodie. Kind of interesting. Going for $17. Selling for $60. I don't know. I've been thinking about this. No, there's profit to be made. But I've never really sold clothes, so kind of hesitant. I'm not gonna lie. Got a Durant jersey. Yeah, but you know, ain't no money for that. $8 though. But ain't no money in that. We know that. Looks like a Warriors warm-up jersey or something. This is pretty sick. I think there's the original tag on it. Damn, that only goes for $30. $17. This is nice, super thick too. Dang, if I was a Warriors fan, they had one for the Lakers, I'd be copping it right now. Look at this, you guys. It's a fleece jacket. It's a Golden State Warriors fleece jacket. $40. Look at that MSRP, $140. Damn, I know I could sell this. But like I said, I haven't really sold much clothes, so I couldn't find any comparable prices on eBay, so that kind of scares me. If there were a bunch of these on eBay already, or at least a couple, I would definitely do it. But the fact that, yeah, you know people would be willing to pay at least $100 for this, right? You know people would be paying at least $100. If it's $140, yeah, that's crazy. So this is going to be my only purchase here today. Some for $27. Should be able to. I think the lowest they're selling for $75. They're going for $75 to $100. $75 to $100. Even if I sell these for $70 plus shipping, should be a nice little profit. So not bad. All right, I got one little purchase. This is Burlington. Yeah, in the LA area, I've never once found anything at Burlington, and rarely ever found anything at the Ross and the Marshalls. So yeah, we can check out a bunch of little spots out here, out in Visalia, Bakersfield. Yeah, I did go to Fresno, but I totally forgot to stop by a couple places there. So yeah, we're gonna make it up on the way back. We are still out in Central California. We're in Delano, California. There's a Ross. Let's check it out. We're in the section where they would have some football gloves. Yeah, it's not looking promising. They got these Under Armours. They got these Under Armours. Curious to see if these go for anything. $10. $10. Might be worth looking at. But yeah, don't really got anything else, guys. I hope this isn't indicative of what I'll see in the future. I'll see in the rest of the store. Yeah, so I was about to look these up. $10. But yeah, look at the MSRP. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Not gonna work. No, and I just reviewed all the shoes here. Yeah, there was nothing even worth filming. I spared you guys from all that mess. For personal stuff, you know, $30. Like these aren't that bad, the Californias and stuff, but as well as these PODs, $40 for some PODs. These are kind of big though. You know, these have one of the biggest stacks of boost in the back, but there's no boost in the front, so it's not super comfortable. I like having a lot of cushioning in the front as well as the back, so yeah, those don't work for me. But yeah, there really was not much else worth even showing you guys. So we can keep it moving, you guys. Keep it moving. All right, no jerseys. I'm in the active top section. No jerseys. No sportswear of any sort. All right, they didn't have Jack, you guys. Yeah, we get there's a little DD's discount store right around the corner right here. So yeah, let's try that place. There's a DD's discount. I've actually never been here, but I've seen people find stuff. So yeah, let's check it out. All right, this is gonna be another synopsis. I've seen people find Vapor Maxes. I've seen people find all kinds of sick stuff at DD's and nothing. Just like the last place. Just some Marquis Boost. This does have full length boost. $40, not bad. Size 11s, not terrible. Yeah, I did check out their activewear section. Did check out the luggage area. Yeah, not much here, you guys. Moving on. We're in Bakersfield, California. Let's check out this Burlington. Got a pretty good size shoe area. Yeah, let's see what's up, you guys. All right, just went to size 10s, you guys. Only thing I found. These dang Californias and the Shox Gravities. Yeah, that's it. That's the other side of the 10s. Got the 10.5s right here, man. I'm combing through the section. Got nothing, you guys, nothing. Only thing I've seen even decent are these cleats. Look, $17. Still ain't got no profit. These only sold for like $30 online. How do you have no profit for $17 cleats? That's crazy. What are these? I've never seen these. These look like some Nikes. Look like there's some Pumas. What? I've never seen these before. The Cell? Oh, aren't these their new shoes? The Cell technology, $30. Not bad. Not bad. Got some more monies. But unfortunately, they won't lead to more money. All right, these are the only interesting shoes that I found today. Or at this Burlington, because I did cop something. What are these? I don't recognize these. Are these the old Barclays? So I know, I recognize a couple of the Barclays, but not this one. So I don't know if this is a Barclay or what. Hey, let me know if any of you guys know what shoe this is. Let me know, you guys. Finally found something worth copping. You know, I already got plenty of these, and 10.5's a little bit big, but hey, look, $35 for some. They call these they used to call them the Nikes, 5923s, the Marathons, kind of same thing, but full length boost, you guys, full length boost. This is totally worth the cop. If any of you guys find these or have a 10.5, these are totally worth copping. Can't sell them though, so they don't go for much. Got some Air Force Max for those who don't have an outlet near you. Because those are going for that price at outlets, or cheaper. Oh, for the huge sizes, look at that. Got a bunch of colorways. Got some Hyper Dunks too, Hyper Dunks. These ain't bad, 8.5s, $25, 8.5s, not bad. All right, stopped by 5 different spots, you guys, and I found one pair of shoes to resell. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys, man. Like, at least I got one. you know, we'll see how much I cop. We'll see how much I'm able to get from those pair of shoes, and we'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. If you like these type of videos, I do mostly hit up the Nike outlets as well as some of the other outlets, as well as some of the retail. I do go check out some retail shoes places and stuff like that. But if you like those type of videos, go ahead, make sure you like, subscribe, make sure you check out some of my other videos, and let me know what you think. But yeah, thanks for joining. See you in the next one. Peace.